Hey guys, it's Lisa. Happy Friday. I was gonna say welcome to Crazy Town, but many of you live here with me. So if you're new, welcome to Crazy Town because I have so many just like random things to tell you about, including some new favorites. Okay, I have gone pumy crazy. When I was watching all of the Amazon videos, which if you didn't see my $2,500 Amazon unboxing and try on, I will put it right up here because I found some good stuff. Now, I will say there were some things in there that I wouldn't purchase again, like that blazer was terrible. I mean, there were some things, the little black suit, but I knew that was gonna happen. That is the point of me doing this because then I can tell you what is good. And what is good is this pumy line. When I was watching people do these videos and I was trying to watch all the people that are just like Amazon fanatics and everything, they kept mentioning this brand. And a few times I thought, is this sponsored? And they didn't mark it sponsored or something because they were just going on and on. I see why. These are so good. I couldn't even really express to you in the video because, you know, I showed them to you and then I tried them on, but I did order some more. I got this like t-shirt type, and let me show you what's so good. It's this. It's 2-ply, and not like Zara where it's 2-ply until here. And then it kind of almost even shows right there, 2-ply the whole way. I think the best bra to get would be that one from Soma. I will link it below. I need a nude one. I have a black one, but that one gives you a really good shape and it would look really good under these bodysuits. So I got this white one and then I got this nude one. These are the perfect thing to wear under your mohair sweaters or your wool sweaters. Something that's not, you know, cashmere. Of course, we like it so close to our skin because it feels so good. But a lot of these sweaters, we need something under. I remember one of my favorite sweaters to wear out when I was in my 20s was a red wool sweater. And I would wear it over like a white button down with a black skirt or black shorts. I loved that. But I did order, before I even got these, I was texting back and forth with Luxe Mommy, Amanda, and she was saying how much she liked these. And these are the Skims. I'll put the exact ones down below because there are several different styles and kind of levels of stretchiness. And I ordered 3 of these in like the nudie colors and I got the small. These are 93 nylon, 7% elastane. I do love these. I had this one on in a video that you will see coming up soon to wear underneath sweaters. So I got the brownie nudie one, and then I got the really brown one, trying to break out of this box, you know, trying to get out of the black. Here's my black one. I think I wore this, I don't know when. I've worn them all. I haven't washed them yet because I just haven't needed to. So when I started getting the pumy stuff in, I was comparing them. Like this is the long sleeve pumy bodysuit. I will say that the neck, like the band around the neck is different. What I'm trying to get at is they're not exact replicas of the Skims line. And I don't think they're supposed to be. It's just a, you know, I mean, everybody makes a little basic bodysuit like this, but they both feel so good. I am a Skims girl. I'll be honest with you. I'll put my favorites down below. I always come back to those because they're just the easiest to wear underneath clothes. But I suggest you try the whole pumy line. Don't stop there. Look at what else I've got. I got these in yesterday. See, I had ordered some for that video, but then when I found out how nice they are, they're so much nicer than any of the other bodysuits I showed in that video. So I did get all of these. So this one is a small latte, and it's shaped like that. And then I got the basics, the white small. I may dare to say I like them better than the Zara ones because they fit better. The Zara, if I got a small, it wasn't long enough for me. But when I get medium, there's a little bit of side boob that I'm not crazy about. But with these, no side boob. It's just perfect. And then I got the latte. So just your basic nude colors, because when I got these, I wanted them to be something I could wear and layer with, but I could also wear under sweaters. Some more stragglers that came in. after that video. These are something I never in a million years expected to like, but I will have to say, no matter where I watched videos on Instagram or YouTube or whatever, these always came up. I also looked at Amazon's highest rated products too. And these clean towels, these are the extra large 50 count, ultra soft, 100% bio-based, clinically tested and vegan. These little cloths, they are, I will have to say, pretty amazing. I've been using these for, I would say today is probably the third day, and I'm using them like I do a washcloth or one of those muslin cloths or something like that. And at first I thought they were going to be too soft and I would feel like they weren't exfoliating, because my Obagi Nuderm, I hate to keep on talking about that, but it's true, it kind of exfoliates your skin throughout the day so that when you wash off your makeup, you can see like that extra layer of skin and just stuff like coming off. So I always want to make sure I get that. These do. I felt squeaky clean, yet they're soft enough to go around my eyes, because a big pet peeve is any makeup left around my eyes, especially on a night like last night. I just kind of showered off real quick. I didn't wash my hair. So, you know, you don't wash your face as good if you're not washing your hair. And I was able to use this and really get around my eyes. I love them. Now, I've tried the disposable kitchen towels before. That didn't shake me up. I've tried things like this in the past. These are amazing. And then after I use it, I don't throw it away. I like use it to squeeze out my beauty blender. Then I wipe off the counters and then I throw it away. So love these. I think they are worth a try for sure. Okay, something else that I have tried before, and you guys tell me about these all the time, and these are definitely an Amazon top seller, highest rated product. It's these Paw Paw super soft makeup sponges. I love these. I love these. They are so good and they're inexpensive. You can wash them out, but you don't have to. I usually wash mine 1, maybe 2 times, but with a beauty blender, it is hard to throw those away because you paid 20 bucks for it. But with these, after they get to the point where, you know, they're kind of breaking apart, you can throw them away. Well, they just came out with these that have the flat side. That is how I apply my foundation. So now I'm using this one to apply my foundation instead of the Eco Tools one. Not saying I don't like it. This one is softer than the Eco Tools and probably, I would say, maybe cheaper. I love them. They are very, very good. You have to try them. Speaking of foundations, you guys, this foundation just has me. It has me. I am running out of my, I think this will be the 3rd bottle I have bought. Even this shade 8. It's the Hourglass Ambient. It's just beautiful. It photographs beautifully. It looks beautiful in person. Like when I go in Ulta or when I go in Sephora, they will ask me what foundation I'm wearing. Well, this morning I decided to give this one a try because I had it in my drawer and I knew that it was a good shade. And I love it. Let's see, I'll compare. This is the 3N Neutral, and then this is the 8. So you can see there certainly still is a difference, but I'm hoping that when I have to quit wearing my 8, because as my tan fades away, this will get a little bit too dark. I'm hoping I can at least mix these or do something else, because I did try the other shades of the Ambient and I may try them again, but I really like that. And I've mixed it before. It's so good. I really like it. Okay, so that's the Ambient and that is the Terracotta Guerlain. And that smells good too. Okay, it does have a scent. It has that pretty, I'm so dressed up, fancy scent. Whereas the Ambient really just, I think it's just the scent of the ingredients. More new hair products. I think I might have even shown these to you guys. I can't remember. But this is something, I've actually bought this twice. I've got a small one and this big one. I remember when I bought this, the lady at the supply store saying this was, people loved this. It's the Spray Smooth, and it took me a while to realize like what this does. I think it's very similar to the IGK smooth spray, and what I love about it is it's an aerosol. Why do I love an aerosol so much more? I don't know, but I like it more to spray on. See, it's like that. It's very fine, and you spray it on your hair when it comes out of the towel. And this helps get smoother hair even when you are going to curl it, because if my hair is too frizzy, the curls will not look pretty. Because think about it, if each strand is doing like this, but yet it's in a curl, it's not going to be that glossy, beautiful curl. This has helped my blowouts. Then this is the Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate Oil and Serum. When I was in Ulta Beauty one day, one of the girls suggested this. I can't even remember what I was asking her for at the time, but I gave it a try and I love it. You know that Colleen is just gonna always be right up there at the top, but a lot of you don't like the scent of Colleen Rothschild, and I'm just giving you some alternatives. So this is the Frizz Dismiss, and this, the scent of this, I kept thinking, how can I describe this to you? Remember when I described something from Lush? I think it was the Sleepy as a sexy oatmeal cookie. That's how this smells. Like, I don't know what it is that makes that combination, but that's how it smells. Just a unique, sexy, but yummy scent. I love it. And then this is a unique product that I've tried. I just got a small one. It's the spray wax. When I was like playing with all of the different curls and different ways to like curl your hair with a flat iron, just all these different things, and I did order a new curling wand, I was thinking this might help the actual curl stay or be kind of funky. So I'll show you what it does. I wish I had a mirror, but I don't. Okay, these are 2-day-old curls. So what you do, it's like a fine mist. I spray it, and then I can get my curl kind of revived. I wouldn't spray it like you do a texturizer spray, like in your roots or anything. I spray the actual curl. And I feel like it gives your curls like some more funk and revival. Let's do it right here. I'm gonna regret this. This has a typical, kind of like a hairspray scent. It's not bad, but it's not sweet. There's just something different to that oil. Let's go ahead and show you something fabulous. There is a little story behind this. I have been wanting one of these cool, funky, I don't even know what they're called. It's like Petite Mall or something like that. One of these cool Louis Vuitton bags that look like a box. They were pretty expensive and I didn't know which one I wanted, and you know, I never could decide. So I was on YouTube one night and I was watching one of Tamara Kalinick's shorts, and I think she was somewhere at a Louis Vuitton event and they had gifted her this bag, and it is fabulous. I think it's called the camera bag, and John and I both loved it, so I ended up ordering it. And you know what I'll say is, you know how these look like they're gonna be so hard? Like, it looks like you can't bend it, but look, it's not as hard as you think it is. It just looks that way. And I think that it is fabulous. I love that it has the black handle. I felt like that just made it more me and gave it just a little bit of an edge. It has the black right here, and then it's very easy to open. It just pops open like that, and you'll be surprised at how much room is in there. Like, plenty of room for all of my stuff. You know, I don't consider this like a everyday mama bag or run to the grocery store, even though I think you could, because see, it does come with this strap too. I've seen people with both of them on there, so it's crossbody. I really love the chain. I love the top handle. I love everything about this bag. It is just really cool, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, I just wanted to show you what it looks like on, if you want to do it crossbody. And I guess you wouldn't have to keep like that chain on it, but I love it. I just think it is so cool, and it's going to be so easy to like get your stuff out and everything, so I do not regret it. Sassy, you can't go in there. You can't go in there. They do not like a door shut. This is something I ordered. It's kind of like a Spanx inspired set. I think the Air something. It's these black pants, and the top, it's like I think it's a half zip. Yeah, a half zip. Arabesque, which is a good line on Amazon. So I figured if I didn't like this, because I don't know if the pants are really like a shape that I'm gonna love, that my mom or Brooke would love that too, but I wanted to show them to you guys because they are a top seller, highly rated Amazon product. And then I think these are too, because I don't know why else I would have ordered them, but these are cut from the cloth Katherine boyfriend jeans. John just had to leave, so I thought I'd stand up and show you these jeans because I haven't tried them on yet. They do look like they're gonna fit. Don't know if I'm gonna be crazy about that roll up, so I might roll them down, see how they fit, and I might do like that wide cuff. That's what I really like. I think that wide cuff is so Victoria Beckham. She was doing that before doing that was cool, and I like it. So these with a nice black turtleneck cashmere sweater with the wide cuff and some tight ankle boots or something like that. So I'm gonna try all of this stuff on for you, and it should be in here. So look down below. I got these this week from Amazon. Also, this is my favorite teeth whitening method ever. A lot of you have tried these, the teeth whitening trays from Burst, and they're kind of like wax. They have the stuff in them that comes with a lower and a upper. You put them in and then you mold them and kind of squish them onto your teeth. And then what I usually do is jump in the shower, or in the morning sometimes I'll do my makeup, set the alarm for 15 minutes, and then throw them away. They're so much better than Crest white strips or the actual bleaching trays, and they really, really work. Another pair of boots, buckle boots. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am just starting to lose my faith in high-end boots, or even the Fry boots, because these are Steve Madden, and they are so comfortable. I just got up and walked back and forth. If I look crazy, I wanted to just show you how like bendy and comfortable they are. The bottoms are like this, I guess like a hard rubber. I think they are just fabulous. I think they're right on trend, and I actually like the way they look with this outfit. So I love these, and I think I ordered these from Amazon too, but after we did the haul, and I got my true size 8. There's definitely room for socks, but I don't have socks on, and they don't zip. So you just step right into them, and I love them. This is the black, but you can see it's the scuffed up, fabulous, kind of like a brownie black, I would say. If you live in a cold climate and you go to like concerts and a lot of stuff outside, I think these would be a must-have, because you could layer those thick socks underneath them, put on like some fleece leggings or some skinny jeans, and I think these are just fabulous. And they're not so expensive that you don't want to walk outside or something like that. These were a favorite, but I do not like them on me. I feel like Ray Charles. I feel like Weekend at Bernie's, or who else? I don't know. I think it's just because they're so reflective and flat, but I will say that they're comfortable and they get a high rating. So I will link them below in case one of you guys like them. I think they're just too flat. If they were curved just a little bit and not so reflective, I would like them. Oh gosh, remember this necklace, you guys. This is so good. Love it. And then a Dean Davidson ring, and no watch, and Chanel ballerina on my nails, and that is it. So I hope you guys saw something that you like. I hope you enjoyed it. I've got lots of good videos coming up. Lots, as many as I can do. And let's see, we've got Mango coming up. We did J. Crew last night, and then I just placed a great big Aritzia order. So something for everyone, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.